Hi guys, it's that time of the year when you are indoors and still wearing a mask. And I'm really sad about this video. Usually I'm really excited, pepped up for a video, but this time it's something that we have to all embrace, talk about and kind of, address the situation. And I'm wearing a mask inside because it's that time of the year when there are festivities, you are joyful, but at the same time you're worried about the pollution levels and worried about what's gonna happen to your health. And yes, while there are a lot of problems increasing, and especially if you live in a polluted city like Delhi, which is one of the most polluted city in the world, during the festivities, you get a lot of problems, crop burning, the pollution from vehicles and construction and whatnot. And no matter what all we do to curb those things, the pollution level at this time of the year usually and always gets elevated to the next level. And it is really, really scary. We cross 1000 plus PM 2.5 levels, and that is really, really harmful and injurious for health. But thankfully, there are companies like Dyson that are relentlessly researching and making things better for us. Now, each year they launch a new range of air purifiers and they bring about new changes to it, a new feature set, new filtration processes, and a lot of engineering goes in that. And Dyson has been relentlessly doing it for years now. In fact, Sir James Dyson made 5,127 prototypes in the 5 years it took to develop Cyclone technology. And in fact, 1,700 Dyson engineers are working around the clock to fix the problems we face on day-to-day basis. Like for example, the Cyclone technology, the motor that they've made, all these things, the Air Multiplierᵀ technology that we see in their air purifiers. Now this year again, I would like to present to you two new air purifiers by Dyson. This is the Dyson Purifier Cool and this is the Dyson Purifier Hot+Cool. Now we've talked a lot about the machines, so let's unbox these devices and see what all the changes are. So now let's compare it to the previous generation of air purifiers and see how aesthetically it is different. Yes, it may not look really different, but there are subtle changes that tell you this is the latest Dyson air purifier. And as the design hasn't changed this year also, it's really easy and simple to insert filters. Just take out the outer casing, insert the filters, and as they're bidirectional, it's really not confusing. You can put it upside down or up down or anyhow and it'll insert automatically. You hear the click, you put the plastic back and you're all set to go. And you also saw the Purifier Cool earlier version had different color combinations like silver, golden, blue, blue and silver, which is nickel and blue. And all these colors have been there for a while and the design still looks very similar. Well, because the design doesn't need to be changed. The Air Multiplierᵀ technology works really, really seamlessly, really, really nicely and does what it's supposed to do. So what needed to be changed this time around? Because you can't just launch a model and say, we've got another air purifier in the market. It does absolutely the same things. No, it hasn't happened like that. And this time around, it's not just the filters which are HEPA 13 standard, but the whole machine is HEPA 13 standard. So it not only does capture H1N1 virus, the dreaded virus, but also captures particle as minute as 99.95%, including molds, pollens, bacteria, and all the pollutants in the air. The Dyson engineers took a forensic approach to achieve a fully sealed machine, creating high pressure seals at an additional 24 critical points to prevent dirty air from bypassing the filter and carrying the pollutants back in the room. The other subtle design change you would notice, well, it's not really subtle, it's a big change comparing the big adapter that used to come with Dyson air purifiers has now been removed. You get a direct plug for India also. You just plug in the machine and start using it. And for Hot+Cool, it is a power switch because it has an heating element in it, so you need a big power switch because it consumes more power than the regular air purifier. And now as the power adapter has gone, the opportunity to remove the cable completely is also gone. So it is now a fixed cable through the air purifiers, both of them. Now let's talk about the patented Air Multiplierᵀ technology. What exactly does it do? Now, for example, if you have an air purifier, usually the air purifier corners just that one corner of your room or wherever you've placed it. With Dyson Multiplierᵀ air technology, Dyson air purifiers can project air from one corner to the other, and because of that, you just need one air purifier in one room. So if you have a hot and cool model, you can set a temperature, like if you feel the room is really cool, like the winters have just started in Delhi, you can set a temperature like 24 degrees or 25 degrees and it will maintain the temperature overnight. And what happens with regular heaters is that you feel lack of oxygen, you feel your skin is parched, you feel your tongue is parched, you feel really dry. That doesn't happen with Dyson hot and cool air purifiers, because it evenly spreads the hot air. It doesn't throw hot air on your face or in the room. It automatically manages, the thermostat works perfectly, and you can also control it with voice control or the Dyson Link app. In fact, with the Dyson Link app, you can control all the machines in the house. You can set temperatures, you can know filtration, you can know your filter status, you can know what is the PM 2.5 and a lot of other information. And you can also see on the display of the Dyson, but if you want to see it in the app, it's right there for you, and the app is really intuitive. You can also add other Dyson devices on it, like the Dyson light cycle we have added in our app. Now this year they've also made another big change. So there were a lot of people who felt that on auto mode, when the air needs to be really cleansed really quickly, Dyson machines got really loud. Yes, because of the power of the motor and the cyclone technology, it could get really loud. But Dyson engineers have again worked on the acoustics of the machine and managed to drop it by 20%, which is a big thing. When you're sleeping at night, even in auto mode, it would not sound that loud. And also there is a sleep mode. If you want to really enjoy your sleep, not to be bothered by the light on the display, it automatically shuts down. In the sleep mode, the sound is reduced and automatically manages the temperature as you've set it. Now the industry standard is to do a CADR test, which is clean air delivery rate. What they do is place an air purifier in one room and really test how clean the air is, how fast it purifies, how much time it takes, and all these things. So they challenged the whole industry test and did a polar test. Now every time you see an air purifier by Dyson, you know that it has passed the polar test. Now what does exactly polar test is? The polar test have multiple sensors all around the room and they really test the air purifiers to the limit. How fast is clean, how pure the air is, and how much time did it take. Both these machines have a silver base. What we have seen till now is Dyson machines usually have white bases, especially the hot and cold were always white based. And if you had the previous one with a nickel and blue, it was nickel in color, not blue in color. First thing that meets the eye and you know that it's a different machine. The other thing that you'll notice is that for the first time ever, Dyson has mentioned these chemicals and these gases on the machine itself and tell you that they can clear these chemicals and gases and give you clean, pure air. So these new machines can particulate PM 1 till 10, sort out your VOC chemicals like benzene, C6H6, nitrogen dioxide NO2, ammonia NH3, acetic acid CH3 COOH, and acetaldehyde C2H4O. So both these machines come with a 2 years Dyson warranty. That means if anything goes wrong, they're not switching on, there's a problem, so you don't have to worry for the next 2 years. So like the previous generation of Dyson purifiers, you also have similar remotes that magnetically attach to the devices and work really seamlessly, and also have great battery life, because even for the first machine that I've been using for years, I'm still able to use those remotes. Also because they attach magnetically on top of the air purifiers, you're always sorted, you know where the remote will be. And like in the previous version, you would notice the hot and cool has more buttons and it is a longer remote. Now let's talk about the price of these devices. So while you can get the Dyson Pure Cool for 45,900, the Dyson Purifier Hot+Cool comes for 55,900 rupees. Both these machines can be bought in two colors, white silver or black nickel. So that was all about the new Dyson air purifier range. Thanks for watching the Unbiased Blog, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay safe. Make sure that you're doing everything possible in your way to keep the air clean. Thanks for watching the Unbiased Blog.